So, okay, welcome to DuceCRM. After signing up and creating your business, you are taken down to the dashboard screen. So, this dashboard gives you a quick overview of activity and helps you take actions faster. At the top, you can see your workspace, and you can also have the option to customize your dashboard. You can click on the customize dashboard button to add or arrange widgets based on what you want to track. So for me, you can add the start overview, you can add the recent activities, you can add the contact, you can add other widgets that you feel matters to you most. This allows you to personalize your dashboard based on what is of more relevance to you and your business and your organization. Here you have quick actions to allow you to take key tasks instantly. You can add a contact, send an email, create a task, create a new deal, make a call, or create a form. So this helps you to take action without navigating through multiple pages. The dashboard also shows key metrics like the revenue, which is here the revenue, the open deals, and the total contact. This gives you a quick snapshot of your current performance in your organization. Now, you can also see recent activity and recent contacts so you're always aware of what's happening in your workspace. So if there is any addition of new contacts, new deal, any change, any moving from one deal to another, from moving a deal from a stage to another stage, it will be logged in recent activity widget. Overall, the dashboard is designed to give you visibility into your work and make it easy to take action quickly. Thank you.